Hi guys, it's Jonny Adam here at a beautiful sunny Castlecombe. Here with Aston Martin Bristol. We're here today showing new customers the Vantage fleet, which is from obviously the Aston Martin Vantage, DBS, DB11, round the track today at Castlecombe. The Vantage itself is a car that we use for our GT cars when we race with Aston Martin racing in WEC and Le Mans, but also for our customers in GT3 and GT4 cars. It's a great chassis as a road car, but it's a phenomenal chassis when it comes to a race car. As a standard race car, we basically do a few modifications which are allowed as far as championships. For example, the front splitter on the GT4 car, slightly wider, gives us a little bit more front downforce. And then on the rear of the car, a little bit more downforce again, but already as a road car, it has a lot of aerodynamics. If you look at the back here, we've got a lot of obviously downforce on the rear with the diffuser on the rear of the Vantage. So for us, already the baseline as a road car is set really high to make it a really nice race car for all customers to drive all over the world at whatever level that they're racing at.